In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the cover option for your planner and how to change the backgrounds on all of your slides. So what you want to first do is look at the 8 different map options on slide 3 of the cover option document. So decide which map you like the best, and you can scroll through all of the slides to see what they look like on the different backgrounds. So once you decide on what cover you want, then you are going to select that map option. So let's just say I want this combination with the teal floral map and the hot pink background. So once I decide on this, I can't copy and paste the entire slide onto my planner, because if I delete the cover that's already there, then the tabs are not going to sync up. So I want to go to the option that I like, and I'm going to copy that map. So I'm going to right click and click copy, and then go to the slide where your map option is and delete that map and paste in the map of your choice. So the next thing you want to do is change all of the background colors. So I'm going to select the first slide, the cover slide, and scroll all the way to the bottom and click Shift on your keyboard and then select the last slide. So for me it's slide 410, and then I'm going to click on background and color and click on the plus under custom. So now I need a hex code. So I'm going to go back to the cover options, or it's also on the top of your planner as well, and go to hex color. So I want the background to be hot pink. So I'm going to copy that hex code and go back to my planner and paste in the hex code there and click OK. Alright, and then that changed all of your backgrounds. You can see the background has changed to hot pink, and you can scroll back up to now see that your cover option has been done for you. Alright, so that's how you do it in Google Slides. Now I will show you how to do it in PowerPoint. So same thing, you're going to delete that map and go to the map that you like, and you can actually just get it from here. So I'm going to copy that map and paste it. And now you might need to just resize it. So I'm going to hold down Shift so it doesn't change the proportions. And you can also change the color of your fonts, but right now it's the map is on top, so I'm going to right click and send that to the back so that I can click on the text box options. So now I want to change the background color, so I'm going to copy this hot pink hex color again. Select slide 4 because that's my first option, scroll all the way to the bottom to the last one, hold down Shift on my keyboard and select the last slide. Then you're going to click on Design at the top and click on the Format Background, and you want it to be a solid fill, and select Color, More Colors, and for this you're going to click on the second one if you're on a map. Find where your hex color option is and copy in the hex color. Oops, and mine is not, I didn't copy it correct, so let's go back. So for that one, you want to make sure that the hashtag was not selected, or it won't let you copy and paste. So now I've pasted it in, and click OK. And it will change all of your backgrounds to the hot pink option. So that's how you do it in PowerPoint. Now if you wanted to change the font to a different color as well, you can get that hex code. So let's say I wanted to make it aqua. I'm going to just copy the hex code after the hashtag. And then I'm going to go to Home and click on the font color and click on More Colors again. Paste in the hex code. And there you go. So you can change it to whatever color you want. Alright, if you have any questions about the cover, the font options, or the maps, just let me know.